Introducing the AWS-5011 Intellect Torque Tester from Flexible Assembly Systems. Are you in need of a precise and reliable tool to measure torque? Look no further than the AWS-5011 Intellect Torque Tester. This advanced instrument combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to revolutionize your torque measurement and testing processes. With a bidirectional accuracy of 0.25% of the indicated reading, the AWS-5011 ensures highly accurate and dependable results, giving you confidence in your measurements. Covering a wide torque range of 110 lb. It can accommodate various applications, from light-duty assembly tasks to more demanding industrial requirements. The AWS-5011 offers 8 engineering units of measurement, including AWS, lb, lb, ft, Newton meters, cnm, kgfcm, gfcm, and kgfm, providing versatility to meet different industry standards and preferences. Choose from 3 operation modes, track, peak, and first peak, to suit your specific testing needs, whether it's continuous monitoring, capturing peak torque values, or recording the first peak only. The AWS-5011 features auto-recognition of up to 7 transducers, allowing for seamless integration and quick setup. Simply connect the transducer, and the tester is ready to use. With its plug-and-play functionality, the AWS-5011 streamlines your workflow and saves valuable time. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the AWS-5011 Intellect Torque Tester. Its exceptional accuracy, versatile measurement range, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for calibration labs, assembly lines, and quality control departments. Invest in the AWS-5011 and experience precision and reliability like never before. Visit flexibleassembly.com today. Our on-staff assembly tool experts are available to answer your technical questions and help you find the right torque tester for your needs.